Listen up, petrol heads. Ever heard of an engine that sounds like a banshee on steroids? That's the BMW S85. This V10 monster isn't just an engine, it's a symphony of power and engineering. Imagine a choir of angry bees. Now give them instruments and you have the S85. It's a high-revving masterpiece designed to make your heart race faster than a cheetah on a caffeine rush. This isn't your grandma's engine, no sir. It's a naturally aspirated beast that loves to be pushed to its limits. Screams with joy as the revs climb. And the sound, it's enough to make your hair stand on end. This engine didn't just fall out of the sky, you know, it was born from BMW's racing heritage. They took all the good stuff from their Formula One program and crammed it into a road car engine. The result, pure magic. Think of it as a Formula One car in disguise. It's got the same high-revving nature, the same lightning-fast responses, and the same incredible sound. BMW wanted to create an engine that was as close to a race engine as possible, and boy did they succeed. Right, let's talk numbers. This bad boy displaces 5 litres. That's a lot of cubes. It churns out a whopping 500 horsepower. That's more than enough to get your pulse racing, but it's not just about horsepower. It's about the way it delivers that power. The torque curve is as flat as a pancake, which means you get instant shove no matter what the revs. It's like being kicked in the backside by a kangaroo. So where can you find this magnificent beast? Well, it graced 2 legendary BMWs, the E60 M5 and the E63 M6. These cars weren't just fast, they were epic. The M5 was a super saloon that could humble supercars. The M6 was a grand tourer that could handle like a sports car. Both were powered by the mighty S85, and both were unforgettable driving experiences. They say legends never die. Well, the S85 is living proof of that.